so that was my can of peaches and some cherry tomatoes, and I've got these mozzarella pearls, and we're just gonna get these right on in here. Just like that, beautiful. This is gonna make for such an easy summertime dish. Got my one large avocado here that I went ahead and diced up. My hands are clean, don't worry. And then I'm gonna come in with some walnuts. Now you guys can use any kind of nut. The recipe I'm actually copying called for pecans. But again, you guys can change up these nuts to whatever one you think you would like. So I have some Walmart walnuts in my cabinet that I wanted to go ahead and use with this. And then I've got some delicious strawberries. And you know, online I saw recently that some of the strawberries were actually red all the way through, and I wonder why ours are always white. Are they not like fresh? Are they not like ripe all the way through? Who knows? If you know that answer, let me know, because I'm actually curious. And then I've got my beautiful basil here. And like I said, this is gonna be such an easy dish that you guys can make for like a summer trip. If you guys are going camping, going boating, this is so refreshing and so easy to make. If you guys wanna make this vegan, you guys can leave out the cheese and you know, whatever you like. I think basil is gonna be perfect with this, but you can also add some fresh thyme, whatever you guys think you would like. Grab a few more sprigs of this. All right, and then I'm going to season this with some pepper. I'm just going to go with some light seasonings. I really want the freshness of this to come out. And then I'm going to do a little bit of salt. If you guys have some sea salt, some flaky salt that you want to use with this, absolutely do that. Just a little spritz there. Some olive oil, of course. Almost every salad dressing or dressing in general, I feel like, has some olive oil. And then the fun part is gonna be this balsamic vinegar. And this is just gonna go drizzled right on top. Be careful as you pour, because this stuff is pretty potent. But doesn't this just look amazing already? Ooh, found a piece of basil. And all we've got to do now is mix this on up. We're gonna get all of these fruits, vegetables, and this cheese. We gotta break up just a bit here. You guys can use your hands too. Usually I do, but I don't know, these are cute. I wanted to use them. All right, so just go ahead and get this all nice and mixed up. If you guys have a tried and true dressing that you guys really want to use, you can do that too instead of doing this balsamic. I know not everyone is a big fan of balsamic. So of course you guys can mix and match. I'm not a big fan of tomatoes personally, so when I eat this, I'm actually gonna just be picking those out. But I know lots of other people like it. And you actually don't even need to use a dressing because this avocado, it can be pretty creamy. You can also just put more avocado in exchange for cheese. Most of these strawberries I cut into thirds, and the peaches I just left as whole. And depending on what time of summer it is, you might not have strawberries, so you can definitely just do a bunch of peaches for like a late summer salad. But so far, this is looking amazing. Let's just kind of put that right back, smoothed on out. Oh, gorgeous. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and grab a nice scoop of this so I can try it out beforehand. Always got a quality control, right? Oh, this is smelling amazing, all that balsamic. But let's go ahead and try. All right, I've got a little bite of everything minus that tomato, because like I said, I don't like tomatoes. But cheers. Mmm. That basil in here, the avocado, and then that mozzarella ball. Wow, so good.